Okay, I'm at CPI, Cape Town. I brought the Audi A3 for a DSG gearbox oil change, and just gonna get some maintenance done. Just had the car sorted out by GG to have it a full service. Still some stuff outstanding, but it is here now, and I'll keep you posted of what issues we find. And do have an oil leak. Hopefully DSG service goes well, and then I can bring it to Robot Racing on Wednesday. But there's crap, don't know if it's going to be like this the whole week. And there's the GTR, a few more that's in the shop, and a few S3s as well.